I'm Bob Jarvis from Lewmar. I'm here to introduce another of our new products, the Service Fit roller shade. As you see, they come in a nice retail box, and they're a very simple clip-together system. They're designed to fit on all our standard size hatches and just provide you with a fly screen and a roller shade to keep the sun out. We've also designed and built a port light shade for the vertically fitted windows in your boat. That just gives you a simple sunshade for those port lights. I'm just going to take you over to a hatch with the roller shade fitted and show you just how it works. Here's one fitted to our standard hatch profiles. We'll just show you the two functions. Number one is the complete shade. Pour that over. It's got an adjustable stainless steel sprung-loaded mechanism, so you can actually adjust the tension on it. Magnetic bars to hold it, and then you can simply apply the fly screen function. As you saw earlier, it just comes in the box, simply clipped together, screwed onto the headlining, and also in the box there's a seal to make a nice trim around the edge. If you've got more of a gap between the headlining and the deck, we also do a deeper trim kit. So for more information, contact your territory manager or call 1300 BLA Sales.